I have a cadet Volunteer UTV. I'm replacing the Kohler engine and cannot find any info on removing the centrifugal clutch. Can you help?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. The clutch has an internal thread. You install a bolt or puller with the correct thread and it pushes the clutch off the tapered shaft. Full-size image. Find the correct bolt and use a spacer if needed. Full-size image. Factory tool would look like this.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.